passed.
A controversial immigration bill is now very close to becoming law in the state of Oklahoma.
The Senate sent a bill to Governor Kevin Stitt's desk today that would allow local law enforcement to remove undocumented immigrants from the state. Of course, something normally handled at the federal level.
And KOCO's Andy Weber joining us live this afternoon. Andy, this bill passing despite facing additional pushback today.
Yeah, Zach, and as you see on your screen right here, a lot of folks outside the Capitol today protesting House Bill 4156. They contend this bill targets people who work here in the state, contribute to society, and have their income taxed. We spoke with the organizers earlier today. Republicans in that building say there's already a legal path to citizenship.
And to that I say the path is broken, the path is not correct, and the path needs to be fixed. We need to be more humane, we need to be more considerate and more passionate to these people that come to America, that leave their homes, that leave their culture, that leave their families and friends for the dream, for the American dream.
The bill senators heard today was House Bill 4156. It is known to mirror a similar law passed in Texas, SB 4. Oklahoma Republicans, including the state's attorney general, have argued the border crisis has started impacting Oklahoma, that they are prioritizing the safety of Oklahomans. If the governor signs it, police could remove undocumented immigrants from the state. But Democrats say the bill threatens a group that is essential to the state. Here is some of the debate we heard on the House floor, the Senate floor that is, this afternoon.
Yes, you're going to have people who are stopped because of the way they look. And we're going to try to put those folk in jail because of why? The way they look.
What we're trying to say is the people who are coming here illegally are causing issues. We can't take care of them. We don't have the funding. We don't have the resources. We can't even take care of the people that we have here in our state that are born here in this state and born here in this country.
This bill has passed both chambers and now awaits the governor's signature, but we do expect lawsuits to be filed to block this law from going into effect.